Can you make a fire? Yeah. All right, in order to fire, I need 2 pieces of wood. One's gonna be my spindle, one's gonna be my hearth board. The other thing I need for this fire is a good tinder bundle. Essentially, it looks just like a bird's nest. First, I need to make a little pilot hole, just like that. And I'm gonna burn it, very solid looking hole. Once I've burned in my hole, I'm gonna cut a notch. I want my notch to go right before the actual center of the hole. Applying downward pressure, rapid rotation of my hands, we'll get a coal. That's how you build fire.